Looking for a conditioner that truly restores and strengthens your hair without weighing it down? American Crew Daily Moisturizing Conditioner delivers exactly that. Designed specifically for men, this formula leaves your hair feeling soft, manageable, and prepped for any style you want to rock. What sets this conditioner apart is its triple action, vegan, and silicone-free formula. It effortlessly detangles your hair while vitamin B5 deeply moisturizes, promoting a healthy, vibrant look. Plus, with 91% naturally derived ingredients, you're giving your hair essential nutrients that reduce breakage and keep your scalp feeling refreshed. I've personally seen how this conditioner stands up after a long day in the sun or a swim in the pool. It fights off the dryness and damage caused by chlorine and saltwater, leaving hair soft and smelling fresh. The scent is subtle but refreshing, no overpowering fragrance, just clean and cool vibes. Beyond the benefits for your hair, American Crew cares about the environment. The packaging is made with 80% post-consumer recycled plastics, so you're supporting sustainability while upgrading your grooming routine. It's a small but meaningful way to make a difference with your daily choices. Using it is simple. After shampooing, massage a small amount into your hair and scalp, making sure it spreads evenly. Leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse well. It's ideal for men with normal to dry hair who want a conditioner that works hard but feels light. American Crew has been a trusted name in men's grooming for over 25 years. From hair care to shaving and fragrance, they've built their reputation on quality and style. This conditioner fits right into that legacy, helping you look and feel your best every day. If you're ready to give your hair the care it deserves, softness, strength, and protection, this conditioner is worth a look. It's designed to fit seamlessly into your routine and deliver noticeable results without fuss. Try American Crew Daily Moisturizing Conditioner when you're ready to elevate your hair game. Whether you're heading to work, hitting the gym, or just want hair that feels healthy and manageable, this product delivers. Make it part of your grooming arsenal and see the difference for yourself.